Hello class, this is Tim Tomlanovich. This is your instructor. Welcome to Structural Analysis 1. I just wanted to go over the Blackboard site for you quickly. All right, so class information, how does class work? Let's go over that. So basically, I look forward to teaching you structural analysis. It's my job to teach you the subject matter and give you an opportunity to learn employability skills. I ask you to put 100% into the class and I'll give you 100% back. You're always welcome to ask me questions. I may not give you the answer directly, but I will tell you where to find it because I don't want to take away the learning experience from you. Okay. All lecture notes are in each representative learning plan under class materials. Okay, which is right here. Oops. Yep. Learning plan. Class materials. Okay. Now we're in a different situation. Okay. This class is going to be all online. I'm going to record the lectures. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be open to WebEx, or I'll be on campus on site to help guide you through this class. Okay. Before you seek my help, though, I ask that you review the materials prior to respective lecture or asking a question, because this will make a more enjoyable and fun learning experience for both of us. If you're wondering where assignments and quizzes are due, you can review the syllabus. Okay, syllabus is right here. We'll go over that quick. And the due dates will be in Blackboard. Okay, so this will be kind of a moving target. I may move the due dates depending on how the class goes. Okay, so this is an 8-week class. So we're gonna first time I'm teaching this class in 8 weeks. So we'll see how this goes. So we'll make changes as needed. All right, I ask that you communicate with me if you're going to be absent or having any issues, just like you'd have a job. I want you to help you succeed. However, if I don't know about it, I can't help you, okay? So I'm going to set due dates for when these quizzes are due, okay? Doesn't mean I'm not going to accept it when they're late. It's just to help keep you on track to finish the class, okay? All right? All right, so let's hope this is a great class. Over the years, how I was successful in this class um, is I created these little notes here. How to be successful in structural analysis. Okay, I've been teaching this now for 6 years. I've had to go through this class. I'm a civil engineer by trade. So here we go. Read the required material prior to reviewing the lecture video or attending lecture. That's very important. If you at least have if you're familiar with what's being said, you've seen it before, you've read it, even though when you read it and you don't understand it, at least when I'm talking about it, maybe it'll click in your head. So it's important that you at least have an idea what you're looking at. Okay. When reviewing the material, go through the example problems in detail so you understand them. It's very important that you go through the example problems. Spend the time to go through the example problems, how the textbook goes through them. I will probably go through them in a different way, but between the textbook way of doing it and the way I do it, hopefully you'll understand the material. Work through the assigned homework problems and several more until you understand the material. All right, I will assign homework problems. Obviously, there's a lot more in that chapter. Do the problems more than once. Make sure you can do the example problems in the book. Okay, do them over and over again until you understand material. Okay, what I recommend is that when you go through the example problems in the book, how the textbook goes through them, try to close your book and redo the problem and see if you can redo the problem without looking at any notes and you get the same answer. If you can do that, you're on the right track. If you cannot do that, you haven't studied enough. You haven't spent enough time on the material. Right? And the last one, you should be able to solve the example problems and homework without looking at any notes and get the correct answers. Kind of what I was just saying. If you don't, you haven't practiced enough. If you get the answer wrong 10 times and the correct answer one time, keep practicing. It is not stuck in your brain yet. Okay. So if you do the problem wrong 10 times, you know how to do it wrong 10 times, but you only know how to do it right one time. So you need to be able to do it right 10 times, and then you'll understand it. Right? Okay, so syllabus, here's the syllabus. I recommend that you read through it basically, um, they're both lectures, so it's based on learning plan. Okay, Tuesday is going to be the designated office hour. So I will be on a WebEx from 12:30 to 3:20. Is it 3:20 or 2:20? Or I might have that wrong. But anyway, I can change that quick. Um, so you can get a hold of me during that time. All right, here's your textbook, engineering paper, competencies, and all the way at the end here, as you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 quizzes, okay, with quiz retakes. So 1, 2, 3. So basically, it will get you through this class. All right, so your whole class is based on quiz scores. All right, now these dates will change. Okay, I may take some, add some. All right, so read through this. Make sure you wondering if you have any questions. All right. Okay. Now, learning plans. Okay. Learning plan one. As you can look here, I found this YouTube video. I found this on LinkedIn. This is really neat about the history of architectural and how the buildings got higher over the years. Here's the lecture notes, so you can print this out, go through it as I'm talking through it. Here's the video. It's YouTube video, so it should be easily accessible for you. Here's the lecture sheet. Here's the homework. Okay, plus the in addition to what's stating in the lecture notes. Okay, all right. And then here's a practice quiz to help you get started. Okay, so this is the kind of the format of the class. So you're basically going to go into the learning plan. So if I go to learning plan 2, I don't have nothing in there yet, but I will get there. Okay, you're going to watch the video. You're going to go through the homework, and then on Mondays will be the day when you can ask me questions from 12:30 to 3:20. All right. I think it's 2:20, I do believe. 12:30 to 2:20 instead of 3:20. Or maybe, no, this is correct. I'm sorry, this is correct. Okay. All right. So this will be your day, my office hour. I'll be physically on campus, or we can WebEx and we can go through homework problems to get you through this. So that's basically how this class is organized. Okay. So let's have a successful class. Please feel free to ask me questions, email me questions. If it's not during that Monday time, we could always WebEx at a different time when I'm available. Okay, so this you just need to reach out to me. Okay, all right. So that is the end of this. Thank you for your attention.